This look turned out so beautiful, I can't wait to show you it. So first I start with my anti-aging vitamin C serum, then I go in with the mattifying primer and then my serum plus foundation. Then we're going in with a lighter concealer, a stick foundation that's actually a couple shades darker. I like to use that as a contour shade. Then a translucent powder, a mattifying bronzer, and then a nice light blush color and a little luminizer to add a nice glow. Look at the glow, it's so pretty. Okay, next is brows. I'm using this brow pencil in the color taupe, just lightly filling in. Then we're putting this brow gel on. Going in with my palette 9, we're using this nice neutral brown shade on top and bottom. Then we're going in with this light neutral shimmer color and then this white matte eyeshadow for the inner corners. Adding a waterproof liner for a nice wing, then cleaning up the edges and going in with some mascara. This is my current favorite lip liner, and then this lipstick is a newer shade that will be launching at the end of the month. Ombreing it with my concealer, then adding a little bit of lip plumper on top. Going in with my favorite magnetic lashes, and then I like to double stack these for extra glam. And then here is the finished look. Oh, it's so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.